Welcome to this meditation for connecting with your own soul, your higher self, the part of you that is eternal, wise, and fully connected to the universe. Please find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let your body relax as you settle into this peaceful moment. Let's begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. With each inhale, invite peace and calm. With each exhale, release any tension, stress, or distractions. Now, breathe naturally, allowing the natural rhythm of your breath to flow easily. As you breathe, feel the earth holding and supporting your body just as it always does. You are safe. You are held. You are supported. Bring your awareness now to your body. Starting at your feet, relax every part of your feet, feeling the muscles in your feet soften. Now move up to your legs, allowing all the muscles and tissues in your legs relax, feeling heavy. And now moving to your hips and pelvic area, allowing everything to relax and rest. Moving up to your stomach, relaxing. And now to your chest, relaxing. To your shoulders, relaxing. To your arms and your hands, fully relaxing. Let any tension in your neck or your face melt away. Allow your body to rest and be still. Now, I invite you to bring your attention to the area of your heart. Imagine a small, radiant light glowing softly within your heart space. This light is the essence of your soul, your higher self. It is the purest part of you that is always connected to love, wisdom, grace, and peace. With each breath, imagine this light growing brighter. See it expanding, filling your chest with warmth, and spreading through your entire body. This light is your true self, always present, always loving, always connected. As you connect with this light, ask your higher self to reveal itself to you more clearly. There's no need to force anything. Simply trust that your soul is always here, always guiding you. You may hear a whisper of wisdom, perhaps see a symbol, or feel a deep sense of knowing. Whatever comes to you, allow it to be. Trust that your higher self communicates in ways that are unique to you. Be open to receiving its guidance, its love, and its presence. Now let go of any expectations. Simply surrender to this moment. Let yourself be fully immersed in the light of your soul. Feeling its peace and wisdom and presence flowing through you. Know that this connection is always here for you. Whenever you need guidance, clarity, comfort, or direction, you can return to this space and reconnect with your higher self. As you rest in this connection, silently repeat these affirmations. I am connected to my soul. I trust the wisdom of my higher self. I am guided by love and light. My soul's wisdom is always with me and always true. Feel the truth of these words resonate deeply within you. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your breath. Feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing life and movement back to your body. Slowly, when you feel ready, open your eyes, bringing this sense of connection, peace, and clarity with you into the rest of your day or evening. Thank you for taking this time to connect with your soul. Know that you are always guided, loved, and supported by the light within you.